All right, got Dynatech's first version Jato Street Eliminator. This chassis is probably about 3 years old, 4 years old. The new version is available. We will be posting a video of the assembly and updated parts we have for it now also. Today I'm just going to remove an existing wheelie bar, one of the first versions brackets type deals that we had put together to begin with. The battery delete plate update, and the wheelie bar update to the new style. The screws from the assembly, the rear diff cover assembly, we removed the 2 screws underneath that holds the wheelie bar and rear hinge pin cover on. I'm going to go ahead and remove this, install the new hinge pin retainer, and we're going to install the new upper wheelie bar mount. Alright, so got another screw, but this one's a little bit longer than it needs to be. I'm going to go ahead and change it and put the shorter one in there. Alright, put the shorter one in there. There's no need for the nut unless you absolutely want it. You can put a longer one in there. The carbon fiber material will hold the threads. You can tighten it down just like you would the plastic. So it's very strong, very strong. I've gone ahead and removed the old style wheelie bar mount. Everybody had a couple different ways of doing this. I actually have the new mount here. It will attach to the 2 holes where the sway bar slot is. Some people run a sway bar, some people don't. And then it has the rear support to keep it from flexing. So a nice heavy duty piece, carbon fiber printed. So let's get to putting it on. Alright, let's get this wheelie bar tab on. Alright, we've removed the stabilizer bar. Most people don't run it. I took it off of this one because I haven't seen any difference with it on or with it off. So, and if you do want to run it, the mount will have a line in this location. You just have to specify when ordering it that you have the stabilizer bar, and we'll put the groove in it for the sway bar. Let's go ahead and get this on. Alright, so we got the hinge pin retainer on. It deletes the battery box, and we have our wheelie bar mount on. We're going to go ahead and install the new style wheelie bar plate and the new wheelie bar mount. Here's what I did with it. Here. We'll have the new wheelie bar plate and the new wheelie bar wheel mount. Okay, that's the new wheelie bar mount. All right, here's our new wheelie bar wheel support. This is our new wheelie bar wheel. Designs, patterns, majority of them are available. It's just a special request. We'll have 2 standard styles listed online. If you want something custom, you can email us or message us. We can make it carbon fiber, any type of style wheel you want back here. We can also go reasonably thick with the wheel, so that there's no issues. Color coding to the car. If you've got trim or any color you want, we've got different color assortments. Let's go ahead and get this wheelie bar rod on here, and this will finish up our wheelie bar rod installation on a Jato. All right, bars assembled, tension rod, carbon fiber tension rods on there, wheels all mounted, all updated stuff. One more little trim piece to add. Just to dress off some of these studs. Everything bolts in to factory locations. Nothing gets modified. Bolts right on. Last final touch. Throw some stickers on it. Even though it's mine, I still like to do the full deal. The sticker actually works good for grabbing to turn. All right, that's it. Full assembly. Let us know. Appreciate y'all watching.